Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Countif and if together, and I'll show you why you should use two of them together. Okay, so if I zoom in here, you'll see lots of L's, some F's. So you do. If I count F, L, and then look for the argument within speech marks L, and in the first G17 you should always use a $sign, because the $sign holds the letter and a second one holds the number. And if I repeat, you'll see the argument, first one is still there, G17, but the next row has G18. It repeats the L, so it goes 1, 2, there are two L's, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it repeats 7, which is obviously true because there's only 7 L's. This is an F, so it repeats, goes to the next one, and this is the 8th L. And if you double click on the box in the corner, it will repeat itself all the way down. And there's another one, another F that's repeated. Right, now we want to hide the F. So we need to do an F argument in front of the Countif. Because first we need to test, is this equal speech marks an L? If that is true, I want you to count F. If not, I want you to do 0, blank. 2 speech marks is a blank, and then you always need to do an argument within brackets. Everything is in with these 2 brackets. So if you have two brackets like this, you have 2 arguments, one in the middle, inside the middle. You can have one in here, one inside here, and one in the over here. But that gets a bit complicated. Right, so now I want to know that's true. If that's true, count. If it's not, remove it. And as you can see, I just double clicked and it leaves it blank. It's nice and neat. You don't want to see that number repeat, because it's a bit off and could give you a false impression, or even to the audience, whoever's reading your work. So that's it. That's how you use Countif and F together. Now, I just typed it from memory, but the quickest way or another way I should say, is insert function over here. You can search for the Countif arguments, and anything with the word count appears. Anything related to Countif will appear, and if I type F, it will appear. So if I type in Countif, you will see the 2 arguments involved. I want you to search here and tell me, is it blank? And it will count. This is blank. And if I put something in here, no, it's not blank. So yes, that's it. That's how you use the 2 functions.